It's August 19th, the day after John's birthday, and a really strong wind is blowing through Legoland. Look at,
I'm reading a book.
JC's reading a book, and
No.
there's a little Lego guy.
I am reading a book, and he's chasing his pants, and everything's blowing over there.
And look at the little Lego guy whose pants blew off. Look at how strong the wind is. It's blowing the trees over. Santa Claus lost his bag. There's a dog flying through the air. There's a kitty flying through the air. Oh,
I'm still
my.
reading a book.
Oh, my. Well, we got to say goodbye before we blow away, too.
Wait.
Oh, a creature.